Good day. I want to replace air filter Audi a4b5. I want to. It's brand new, as you see, and filter. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Also, this one here. Yes. This one here. This one here and another one here. Okay, this one here. Yes, and replace this one. Okay. Oh, so dirty. So dirty. Open it. Oh, wow. Wow. It's some kind of Mickey Mouse. Well, you know, it's some kind of really Mickey Mouse. Where is a mouse? Where is mouse, friends? I have a cat. Okay, where is mouse? Okay. 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 13 probably. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Mouse in a filter box. Mouse house. Mouse house probably in a filter, in the air filter box, yes? Okay. This is mouse. This is a shit of mouse. Mouse shit probably, yes? Okay. Okay. This is mouse shit, yes? Do you like animals? Pets? Oh, it smells like shit. Okay. Okay. Well, as you see, we have a little bit problem with the filter box, yes? It's broken. Broken, I think, after crash, after air crash. After car crash, I mean. This car after accident, yes, and that's why the filter box is broken. It's not good. I have another one. Okay. It's plastic or something. Yeah. Okay, that was enough. And where is the screwdriver? Okay. And this filter is so old and so dirty. So old and so dirty, yes. I have a new one. Made in Europe. Made in Europe. Made in Europe. Yes, am I right? Am I right? Maybe I open this one and clean it. Or it's clean enough. Well, I think it's clean enough. I think it's clean enough. Okay. 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 Where is the screwdriver? I don't know. Okay. And last one here. Okay. 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 This is a screwdriver, yes. Okay. 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 Mouse house in a filter box. Do you believe it? Yes, and it was enough. And that's all. Yes, and that's all. I fix it. Okay, friends. This is a rest of mouse house in a filter box. Mouse house in a filter box. Well, you know. Okay, see you the next time in a new interesting video. Goodbye, friends.